Beavers are recognized in different countries by various names depending on the language. Here's a list of what they are called in some different countries: Canada and the USA, Beaver France, Castor Germany, Biber Spain, Castor Italy, Castor Portugal, Castor Russia, Bober, China, Haili, Japan, Biber, Sweden, Beaver Norway, Beaver Finland, Majava Poland, Bober Hungary, Hod Netherlands, Beaver Denmark, Beaver Turkey, Kunduz Czech Republic, Bober Greece, Castorus Brazil, Castor. Most countries and languages use variations of the Latin name Castor, but there are notable exceptions like Biber in German and Bober in Slavic languages.